welcome to my channel. So I'm going through with you some deals that they have in the Walgreens ad for April 11th through the 17th. There is some decent ads. There is some decent deals. I don't know if there's any Ibotta deals. This week is awesome with Ibotta deals, but a lot of stuff surprises me the day I go to the store. But I'm here to bring you guys some breakdown. So here we got the General Mills cereal for $1.88. You want to use a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, or there is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the 328 Smart Source. You'll end up paying just $2.76 or getting them for $1.38. Now you can also submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and you will, or not Fetch Rewards, you also get points on Fetch Rewards, but you also want to submit your receipt to the Box Tops, and you can get points for that for your school. Then we have the Nature Valley or the Fiber One. Those are also on sale for $1.88. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the 328 Smart Source. You want to use that. You would end up paying $2.76, or again getting it for $1.38. Now we have the deals that are like a special deal. So these you cannot do these next 3 deals or the next 2 deals in the same transaction. They have to be 2 separate transactions because of the register reward, and you do not want to use the same register reward for the same transaction. So I thought this was a deal. It's not the greatest deal, but some people need this stuff, so I thought I'm going to mention it. So here we got the Tampax, that's 2 for $10. There is going to be a $1 off digital coupon. You would end up paying $9. But then you receive a $4 register reward, making them $5 or just $2.50 a piece. You also want to make sure you submit your receipt to the P&G website to get points for that. And then there's this deal. There is the Oral-B or Crest deal. Those are going to be $4. Now, I'm not sure if there's going to be any Ibotta deals for this. Sometimes they usually disappear right away, but we will see. But there is supposedly going to be a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. I haven't seen that 3 off a 2 on my account for a while, so hopefully it shows up. But you'll end up paying $5. Then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them $1 or just 50 cents a piece. So if you guys need toothpaste, that's an okay deal, but I think it's an all right deal for the toothbrushes. Now we got Colgate toothpaste. Again, it's an okay deal. These are $2.99. You want to use 2 50-cent off coupons that we're getting from this Sunday's ad in the 411 Smart Source. You'll end up paying $4.98 for 2 of them. But then you'll get a $4 register reward, making them just 98 cents or 48 cents a piece. This register reward you can use towards the Tampax deal or the Oral-B deal, since they are 2 different deals. So if you need to roll your register rewards, definitely go ahead and do that. Then we got the Tide, Downy, and Bounce deal. These are going to be $4.99. You can mix and match however you want to do. If you want to buy 4 of the same ones, however you want to do, but they're currently buy 3, you get 1 free. So you'll end up paying $14.97 or just $3.74 a piece. Now I'm not sure if there's any coupons out there for the inserts. I don't get the Tide. I usually scan them with the app and see if there's any coupons out there. There might be some printable coupons on the P&G website. But I know those are usually for the bigger ones, but we will see what we can do. But $3.74 is an okay deal. The next deal we have is the Complete Home Bags. We see this probably every other week. They are currently always on sale for $2.79. They're buy 1, you get 2 free, making the final price just $2.79 or 93 cents a piece if you guys need to do that deal. So that's a repeat deal. I always like stocking up on bags. And then here's a deal that involves the cash reward. So right now the Garnier and the Whole Blends are 2 for $7. There's going to be a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. We are also getting those in our inserts, but some of us don't get those. So you want to use both of those digital coupons. Then there is the Suave that is 2 for $6, and you want to use a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You'll end up paying $9 for all 6 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. But then you'll receive a $5 cash rewards for spending $20. Now, usually this is a deal for the spend deal, not to pay with points, But Walgreens is confusing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I usually say don't pay with cash rewards, but you can pay with register rewards. You just need some filler items. So find like something that's like 60 cents, or if you plan on buying those baggies that are buy one get two free, you could do that. Those are great filler items. So you'll end up receiving a $5 cash rewards, but then your final price comes out to be just $4 or 67 cents a piece. So there's some other deals that are good too, but I will definitely share with you on this Sunday's haul. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being supportive to me. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.